What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and tonight we're going to be working with an array. We're going to be working with array of student objects, which means we're going to be creating more objects than more than we already have right here. Like, for example, we just run this program. So I got my name right here, my age, type of color that I like. We worked on this example before when we create enums. So, and this is the second object right here, the second person information right there, boom, boom. And then we have, yeah, the car is not as cool as the Lamborghini and is cheap. Yeah, you're right. Lamborghini costs a lot more money. It's a cool car. But anyway, so we're going to be adding more and we're going to be using arrays to print out all of that information to the console. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and do it. But please don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. So we'll just keep on doing it. All right, so let's get rid of this part right here, or let's get rid of that, and then let's format this really good. And also, what I need to do, I already have, I created more objects. All right, so to save more time, let's go back to my example and copy those ones right here, what I have. Copy, let's paste it right in here, boom, right here. It's giving me the coolly little red error message. The reason why is because I added email, and there is no email as a property, and there is no email and also in our constructor, so we gotta add that. So let's go back to our student class, and let's add it right here, right after age. We're going to say public string, and we're going to say email, boom, boom. And then we're going to add it right here, and our constructor, we're going to say email, comma, and done. And then let's define it right here. It's right there, boom, boom, done. And let's add it in our display information function. Let's add it right here. We're going to say email, and then we're going to pass that curly braces, and then we're going to say email over here. And let's just do a backward slash and then an N for the skip sequence, and then that should give us, that should fix the error message that we have at the beginning of our program. Okay, cool. So now I think we have an extra Pedro right here. Let's get rid of that, and we should be good. And let's add this email. Let's copy that and add it right. Oh yeah, let's just copy with a comma right there. Boom, boom. And we got it. And that's done. Let's add it right here, and that's done. Now we gotta change it right here. We're going to say pastor. Everybody has a, this is just example, bro. Example. Everybody has a Gmail email. Yeah, that's Pedro. Pedro's good to go right there. And then right here we're going to change Alex. So now that's cool. Now, so we got our objects. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 objects right here total that we have. Now let's create our array. So we're going to say student bracket, and then we're going to say student or students equals new, and then we're going to say student, and then opens and closing brackets, and then we're going to square brackets, and then we're going to pass how many we have. 7 elements we're going to be using. Now right here we're going to use a student. All right, we got the first one, second one. Okay, cool beans. Okay, boom, boom. We got John. I like C Sharp. It just kind of gives you everything right here. And the last one is Piero. Okay. Now let's just do our for each loop right here. We're going to use a for each. Okay. And right here, we're going to call this E. Let's call it E. Boom. And then we're going to say E that, or we're going to use the method display information semicolon, and now we're going to create a new variable right here. We're going to do number of hours. So we're going to add this variable name number of hours worked equals to new random. So we want to know how many hours everybody's working for the cars that they have. Next. So let's see, should we put 25 hours? Yeah, let's just do 24 hours, right? 25 hours. Okay. And now we're going to say E that what we have type of cars. Come on, bro. Type of cars. Okay, that should be good to go. So what's going on? Type of car. So what's wrong? What is good? Let's see. Student doesn't contain a definition. Wait, are you kidding me? There is one. Oh, type of car. That's why. Missing the S at the end. Oh, let's go back and add that. That's right. It doesn't have one. Now it does. So now we gotta use this variable right here, number of hours worked. So I didn't add. We're going to create another function in our student class right here. Let's go back. Yeah, so we can add those hours, those random hours, to see how many hours everybody's working. Okay. All right. So for that, we gotta add another property right here. We'll say public, and we're going to say int. We'll say number of hours. Oh, dot. Come on. Hours worked. Oh man, that came out so wrong right here. Hours worked. Boom. Number of hours worked. So now, and we're going to create our function right here, right after type of cars. We're going to say public, and we're going to say void, and we're going to say perform work. Perform work. Okay. And then we're going to pass a parameter right here, and we're going to say number of hours. Okay, and right here we're going to say number. We're going to use that property name right here, number hours equals to, we're going to add it, number hours. Okay, semicolon right there. Now right here we're going to say console, the right line, boom boom, and right here we're going to say we're going to use a stream interpolation, and right here we're going to say first, and then we're going to say last for last name, and then we're going to say has worked for number of hours worked right here, hours, right, hours. So we'll say Julano, we're going to say Pastor Canayo has worked for 8 hours to afford the car. Boom. We are cool over here. Now we're going to use this. We're going to call this function in our main program, and under our for each loop right here, we're going to say e that perform. Okay, cool. Boom, boom. Nice. And we're passing that variable right here, which is going to give us the random numbers. So now if we execute this program, it should give us all the 7 objects created and also the random numbers right here that we have. Okay, let's expand this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So okay, Pastor Canayo, age 25, that's my Gmail that we added, that's my age. Type of car is Lamborghini. Pastor Canayo has worked for 21 hours to afford a car. And I have a Lamborghini, right? 25 is not too bad. I like that. Your car is the coolest and the most expensive. Yeah, that's true. So this other person worked 21 hours to afford a Tesla. Alex worked 15 hours to afford what they have, a Toyota. Wow, way to go, Alex. Then we have Juana worked 15 hours. That's her email. I could have fixed that one too. Just hit another uh, backslash and a T. Skip sequence to use that just to have it. Yeah, let's do that. Just in a minute. 15 hours, 10 hours for John, work 10 hours to afford a Tesla, and then 9 hours for Montiago to afford Tesla, and then everybody has a Tesla, man. Can we change that? Yeah, let's change it just to make it, okay? So let's change that because we have our enum class that we use. We have Ferrari, Tesla, Toyota. If we just go back over here and change that in our object, we can do the following. Yeah, that's right. We got Tesla, Toyota, Ferrari, Tesla. Let's just do Toyota again. Toyota, Ferrari. Yeah, just like that, bro. Just like that. And also, we were trying to fix our, what is it? What was trying to fix? Let's see over here. I think typo cars. No, I think it was the email. Yeah, email. Okay, that should fix it. Let's go back. No, we got one more, bro. One more. Let's go back. Now it should be good. Let's see. All right, now everything looks good. So let's go back again. Let's check. So Pastor work. Oh wow, I work now 0 hours because that's our random hours that I work. 0 hours to 4. Cool. I like that. Now Pedro worked 6 hours to afford his Tesla. Alex 6 hours too. Juana worked 19 hours to afford the Ferrari. Oh, nice. Way to go, Juana. Good job. And then John worked 9 hours to afford the Toyota. And then Monty worked 20 hours to afford the Ferrari. Good job, Monty. And then Pierre worked 10 hours to afford a Tesla. Oh, nice. Cool. So the program worked. So we used for loop for each just to run through all the objects that we had, and also it gave us the random number of hours that we set it over here in our program. So thank you guys for checking the video. Hopefully this video helped you out in your journey. So don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you out. Alright, thanks and have a good night. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.